gusts.
Our Weather Authority team is right here to get you up to speed. Hurricane specialist Max Mayfield and our chief certified meteorologist Betty Davis, who has the new advisory. Betty.
Hi everyone. No big changes in terms of the maximum sustained winds. Those are sustained at 125 miles per hour. That's still the case. Gusts to 155, pressure 933 millibars. It's moving west-northwest at 9 miles per hour. The National Hurricane Center is noting that center of circulation is starting to move away from the north coast of Cuba. Therefore, we would eventually expect it to be back over the warm waters. And I'll let Max get back into that discussion in a few minutes. But first, I want to show you what's happening locally as we're under that tornado watch across South Florida. The rain bands have been rotating in, pounding some of your communities this afternoon. Right now, our wind speed sustained 22 miles per hour at Fort Lauderdale, Miami, a northeast wind sustained at 17. Marathon, a tropical storm force winds are sustained at 41 miles per hour. Now, occasionally, everywhere we get the winds coming up to tropical storm force and then some, especially when we get into those bands. And speaking of that, notice Marathon with a northeast wind gust of 66 miles per hour. So we are starting to feel some of that wrath associated with Hurricane Irma. So